Hey there. Welcome back to How to Do. In this video, we'll learn how to insert and delete individual cells, rows, and columns, and yes, how to use the shortcut keys too. First up, we'll see how to insert a single cell. Click on the cell, right-click, and choose Insert. Select whether to shift cells right or down, then hit OK. Shortcut tip: press Ctrl plus Shift plus to open the Insert menu instantly. Now let's see how to delete individual cells. To delete a cell, right-click on it and choose Delete. Then choose to shift cells left or up. Or simply press Ctrl plus minus, for a quicker way. Inserting rows and columns. To insert a full row, select the row number, right-click, and choose Insert. You can also press Shift plus Spacebar to select a row, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus to insert a new one above. To insert a column, click on the column letter, right-click, and choose Insert. Or press Ctrl plus Spacebar to select a column, then again Ctrl plus Shift plus to insert one to the left. Deleting rows and columns. To delete a row, right-click the row number and hit Delete. Shortcut: select the row using Shift plus Spacebar, then press Ctrl plus minus, to delete it. Same for column: select it using Ctrl plus Spacebar, then press Ctrl plus minus, to remove it. Wrap up. So there you have it. Whether it's a single cell or an entire row or column, you now know how to insert and delete with ease. And with those shortcut keys, you'll save tons of time while working smarter in Excel.